In this lockdown period, in this corona period, especially in this lockdown period, I can say that the students have spent their time while playing games. Many of the students have played games, and games only, and spent plenty of the time on playing games only. But why not to use your this talent? Why not to use your this talent for earning? Why not to use, if you are very good in playing games, like you have the forte, some people are very fond of it, like to play online games. So why not to use that playing games for earning? There are many websites, there are many freelancer companies are available. What they are doing is they are designing the games, and they're finding out the people who can play the games and let them know what are the faults in the games. So you like playing games, so why not to use your this talent to earn? So literally what they're doing is they are paying you the handsome amount for finding the faults in their technology, for finding the faults in their games. And they're also paying you the amount for advertising the games. They're also paying you the amounts to make the games popular. They're also paying you the amounts for playing the games and win. There are many games, plenty of games, which pays you some part of the amount when you win the game. So means playing the game, if it's your hobby, you are not using it as an earning source. So now you can also use this as an earning source while playing the games, earning the amount, and relax yourself that yes, I am earning from my hobby only. फ्रॉम द वेरी वन एस्पेक्ट जिसमें लॉकडाउन में मैंने बहुत सारा टाइम स्पेंड किया है, एंड जस्ट आई प्लेड एंड प्लेड बट नॉट अर्निंग. So today I'm going to share with you some websites. Today I'm going to share with you the resources which you can use to play games and earn money. Many our students are earning good a handsome amount out of this source because they love to play, and they find out the source that how to use this hobby, how to use this thing to earn money. So definitely this will work for you, as I know it's working for others. So I'm going to share the details of the websites that you need to check, that you need to follow to earn money online as a gamer. Website that you need to go through is gamesvilla.com. It's a very popular website. It's actually very popular website in the teenagers to play the games up to you, for as a gamer, for the work profile, for testing the games, and for giving them the opportunity that how we can improve that. So better to go for this thing and utilize this portal of playing the games in a very well manner. Next website for the gamers is gsn.com. You must have heard about it that gsn.com is providing the handsome amount. gsn.com providing hourly works to the students for playing the games and advertisement things. And when they found it that yes, now the game is quite popular, what they do is they provide you the money for playing the games. And I guess this is a very good source for earning the good amount for the students. And why not to do that? By just spending your time from here and there, better to earn, right? Third website for the gaming is zapac.com. Zapac.com is also providing the freelancer work. Zapac.com provides you particular criteria what you have to follow to get the money, what you have to follow to complete the work profile. So you must visit it. If you find it suitable as per your profile, then definitely go it. If not, then we have other websites also. So the one website, the name is itself speaks a lot, that is paidgamerplayer.com. It paid you for playing the games. And when you are playing the games, obviously they pay you as what is your playing strategy. Not as per the Hanji humne khela aur hum haar ke aa gaye. No, not this way. You must have seen the games where you need to play with the computer, where you need to play with the technology. There is no player present, but you just have to play with the computer. So the person who's playing as a computer, this is a recorded games, right? This is particularly the recorded games. They feed the computers as per the strategy that these gamer players, that they are paid gamer players, they have framed it. They will feed that strategy into the computer, and that computer will keep on playing every game with you. So this is the thing behind it, how we are playing with the computers, because they have feeded the whole information that your people to whom the company is playing are paid for. So this is very beneficial to you. You can advise it, you can improve the games, you can develop the games as per your knowledge, as per the criteria you want to follow, and they will pay you for this definitely. So must try think, must try approach, and I definitely want you to please do that, because you all people love playing game. Students are love playing games. But if you love playing games, why not adopt it to earn it? So very, very, very useful, and I must recommend it. So whenever you will use it, do let me know. Yeah, yes, this is working for me, or no, this is not working for me. So that even I came to know that the sources I am providing you, it's going right for you or wrong for you. So that's all for this video. Now I will definitely share more, because I have more videos on loop. And so stay connected, and love watching my videos. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, and definitely do share the videos with your friends so that they can also make best out of it. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.